What up, y'all? It is your girl P with the Pila Lamb. It is the third Wednesday of the month, so it's a budget Wednesday. Let's get into it. All right, this budget Wednesday is gonna look a little different because I've already kind of established with you guys what my budget outline would be every paycheck going into 2021, which would be out of $2,500, live off $1,000, and $1,500 automatically gets routed to a savings account to save for 3 to 6 months of emergency fund. With this being the last budget video of the year, I want to share my pay stub, and something that caught my eye is the tax area. Y'all see that right there? Yes. It looks really low for what as you guys see, what my gross is and then what the Fed tax is. So this budget video is gonna be focusing on calculating what my potential tax amount that I owe for 2020 will be, and a strategy to budget to be able to have that amount that I would owe available by April 15, 2021. Okay? Because I do not want to get on a payment plan with the IRS and owe them interest on money when me being proactive, because I knew I messed with my tax withholding, as you guys saw in my journey. And actually, I did a little bit more throughout the year. I actually sat down and went through every pay stub to see when I went exempt. It was about 5 months. I know it's pretty crazy, huh? But that is what we're gonna do today. So here's my pay stub. As we see, my gross amount is $108,236. That is my gross. That is not what I take home. There is a difference. So here is the section that says what I'm going to be taxed on, which would be federal taxable gross, and it says $97,000. So if you guys take a jump over to employee taxes, this is what has me nervous and scared. Yes. And I am angry, and I have no one to be angry at but myself. You guys, don't mess with your tax withholding unless you guys really keep track and stay on top of it. Yikes. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm really low for the amount of tax that should be paid. So let's figure out now how much I really do need to pay for someone that makes $100,000, right? We'll just project, because that's that one more paycheck this month. So we'll just project for $100,000 as my taxable amount, and let's see how much it actually ends up costing. I literally just typed in tax calculator 2020. Let's use HR block. Get started. Single. No. We said 97,000 was the taxable. Still 97,000. So what were your withholdings? So let's go here and put this in to your federal withholding, state withholding. So my federal withholdings was 8,703. Yikes. 8,703. Oh my gosh. My state withholdings was 3,372. Okay. Now, let's go here with it. And I put in 97,000 because I'm thinking that 108 minus 11, which would be to my Roth. I mean, not to my Roth, to my 401k was that contribution right there. So that ended up with a 97. I just want you guys to know as well. How do you make this thing go away again? That my net pay. Oh my gosh, why won't you go away? What did I do to make it go away? That my net pay for this year was only 75, pretty much 75,000. So even though my gross was 108, I really only got to see $75,000 home. Sorry about that. So even though my gross was 108, I only really got to see $75,000, which is a lot of money to actually take home. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited because it looks like it's only going to be $6,000. So let's build out our strategy now. All right, so we're just gonna make this quick. We saw about that I owed about like what, 6,000. What was it? Let me just go look actually 1 second. All right, so we saw that I owed about $5,700, right? So we're going to round it out to 6,000. Estimated owed. I wonder if you can wrap estimated owed. Just in case I'm wrong, let's just make it 8,000. Right? So I want to create my budget, which we already know has the I get 2,000 per check. 1,000 is to live off of. 1,500. 1,500 goes to savings. 3 to 6 month emergency fund. So all of my OT, you guys know that I do get a lot of OT and I work that, and right now part of the plan is that any OT money that I have, I can use and splurge as whatever I want. That's what I use my splurge, like that's where I get my splurge money from, right? So obviously that's going to have to change because I need to have $8,000 in the bank ready to go on April 15th, 2021, just in case they ask me to pay out. So how long is it going to take for me to get to 8,000? Well, I know that I make $70 per OT. So let's just do 8,000 divided by 78. I need 102 hours. Okay. So I naturally do about 16 to 24 hours per pay period of OT. So let's say 20. Let's just divide this by 20. Average OT pay per pay period. So equals this divided by 20. 5. So that means 5 paychecks. Paychecks. Oops. Sorry. 5 paychecks. So you get 2 paychecks per month. So we're gonna divide this by 2 because you get 2 paychecks a month. Three months. So I need a total of 3 months, 20 hours OT just to get $8,000 to pay taxes projected to owe April 2021. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tapping into this video. So I don't know if you guys mess with your tax withholding, or you guys might think you might owe. Feel free to use the tax collector online. I'm not sponsored by them. This is literally me just trying to get ahead of the game because I do not want to be on a payment plan with the IRS giving them interest money. I can plan for it right now and I'm just going to have to sacrifice my splurge. Or you guys know that I get more than 20 hours I can do per pay period. So if I want to get something for myself, I want to splurge on myself, I just know I have to work over the 20. Christmas gifts, I wanted to get something dope for my parents, but it's gonna have to be postponed because what I wanted to give them cost about $4,000. And with this realization on me double dabbling with my tax withholding during 2020 and how much I'm probably gonna owe, their gift, the 4K gift ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. But you know, I will put it off. Hopefully, first quarter of next year, I can make it happen, and it'll still be a dope gift. It's gonna be a dope gift regardless. But Christmas is not gonna happen. I won't blame it on COVID. I'm gonna blame that I can't do it because of COVID too. It's so sad, huh? All right, have y'all a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. I will see you next Wednesday. Comment below, you guys, questions. The last Wednesday of the month, which I believe is the 30th, I'm going to do a mukbang answering questions that you guys have for me. So please comment below any questions you have for me to get to know me. I'll be answering them in the last video of this year. We have gone through 6 months of our 18th month journey. As soon as 2021 hits, we got 12 months left. And my YouTube journey is complete. All right, y'all. See y'all next Wednesday.